Are you ready? Graduate ka na. Oh, sige. Congratulations ate. Good luck. Ayun na sila. Balan sila. Congratulations. Galingan mo ha. Okay? Let's go.
The school year 2025-2026 to give you their opening song.
Mira Luis D.C. Franco, both inquisitive, excellent speller, excellent penmanship, excellent communicator, excellent in visual arts, excellent in performing arts, excellent in Filipino, proficient in reading, proficient in math, proficient in language.
Okay mga Scuba, pagdating namin dito, doon lang namin nalaman na maraming medal din pala si Ate Mira. Ang alam namin, closing remarks siya, kaya nagme-memorize siya ng kanyang speech sa bahay, no? Kaya bilang sa magulang, nakaka-proud talaga. Love ka namin ni Mami at mag-aral ka pa na mabuti. Thank you po Lord sa blessing na ito. God bless Ate Mira.
Parents and guests, here are the graduates of Ride and Play Preschool to give you their special performance.
We learned our ABCs, we learned to count to 10. We made new friends and we played again. And just say we're moving up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Good mind, love you great. We're brave and strong, not afraid. We're moving up today. Hip, hip, hooray. Thank you.
Alright, so yung mga Scuba, mag-i-speech si Ate. Ang haba.
We would like now to call Mira Luis D.C. Franco to give us our closing remarks.
A blessed afternoon, everyone. Today, as we celebrate a momentous event in our school journey, I would like to say congratulations to all the students and graduates of the Ride and Play Preschool. On behalf of all the graduates of school year 2025-2026, we would like to appreciate all the hardworking teachers and staff of the Ride and Play Preschool. Thank you for your endless patience, guidance, and kindness to all of us. Thank you for nurturing us with the best knowledge and foundation that we need to face a new chapter in our school journey. You make sure that we not only learn but play as well and enjoy our stay in school. To all the parents and grandparents, thank you for your unconditional love, support, and being the best cheerleaders on our ups and downs. We love you all so much. To all my classmates and students, you are all part of my growth. Thank you for making each day of school fun, bright, and exciting. I will surely miss you all, and I will always remember all the good memories that we shared. Thank you, Lord Jesus, for all your provisions that help us make it to this day. Again, congratulations to all the graduates. Keep learning. Let us enjoy the next chapter of our learning journey. God bless and good luck, everyone!
Good job, Mira. Thank you so much. May we request everyone to please stand.
Wala tayong pambalot. Oh, Ate Mira. Congratulations! Oh, ano? Ano, excited ka na? Anak na.
Ano yan? Bike yan, no? Bike?
Oh, ano yan, oh? Dali, oh. Open mo na. Oh,
Bike yan, Ate Mira, bike.
dali. Open na niya, oh. Sirain mo na. Sirain mo na. Oh, sige. Ah!
Thank you!
Gusto mo yan eh.
Okay, congratulations. O, tara. Let's go na. Yoo-hoo! Mira! Wow, thank you. Thank you. Alright, dito kami match cover sa Family Fried Chicken. Subo na, oh. Oh, nantok na, oh. Oh. Sarap chicken? Oh. Oh. Alright, match cover. Dito na kami sa bahay. Congratulations sa Ate Mira. Grade 1 na siya next year. Oh.
Thank you po, Mami, tsaka tatay. Siluan tulo.
Bye.
Bye-bye!
Please like, share, and subscribe. Ano, nagustuhan ba yung gift?
Yes!
Oh, ganda oh.
Guys, this is my new castle. I
Wow.
really like it.
Wow, ganda oh. Oh, iba na naman. Oh, ganda.